Beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. Da, 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 da. Uh-oh.
Strike, one out.
Whoa.
Trouble, Ronnie, trouble. Trouble, it's trouble, it's trouble.
Oh dear. He made it. Oh yeah.
Bobby. Beautiful. There we go. Come, Ronnie, come, Ronnie.
Oh boy, man on first and third. Boom.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow, wow, wow.
Time. All right. Third base.
Okay, that was good. Good play. Whoa, yeah. Oh my goodness. Great catch. Whoa, yeah.
Come on, Casey.
Okay, man on first and third.
Ooh, nice hit. Hold on, hold on.
Bringing in a run. Good job.
Uh-oh. Let it go, let it go. Good hit. Second. Come on, Bob. Go, Bobby.
Bringing in a run. Man on first and second. It's 2 in.
It's gonna fall, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Maybe not.
Whoa, it's on the ground. It's on the ground. Oh. We had a walk, so bases are loaded, and that's an out. Okay, okay. Okay, Morgan and Blindly is red, Gulfgate is yellow, and top of the second, the yellow has the lead, 3-1.
Hit the hole. Ground it, ground it.
Okay.
First base.
Wow, nice job. That's Dan.
Look at this.
Good teamwork.
Are you kidding me? Nope. Not they put it back.
There we go, get it, Jay. All right, Jay.
All four.
That's a walk. Oi. Okay,
Nice.
quick. And that's the third out. Okay.
You're on, you're on.
All right, Tower.
A walk, man on first and second now.
Mike, go.
Third base.
It's,
Oh, yeah.
see, you never say never. Keep running. Bases loaded.
Nice, nice, nice.
It's down.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, and the boys are moving, and we are getting 2 in, a man over to third, ending with a man over their head. Okay, here we go. Bringing in a run, and man on first and second. Outs, 5 on 1. Boom. It's down, and the boys are moving. 1's coming in, and they're gonna hold now. 5's on 2. This is Dan. Whoa, Dan. It's down. It's down. It's still down. And Casey's running it in. That is run number 5. Wow. Hey, Yellow took a big leap ahead with that inning. It is top of the third. It is 8-1.
Trouble, Ronnie, trouble, Ronnie, trouble, trouble, Ronnie, trouble. Here. Time. Trouble.
Good job, Casey. And that was a double play. Holy cow.
Touch them all.
Wow. Oh, man. Now that's a catch.
Go, Al. Questionable.
What a hit. Good hit. Whoa.
Third base,
Bobby, 2 third. That's an out. Okay.
Second. Here.
Good play. Outs. That's a walk. So bases are loaded. That ball has been stopped, and that ball's been thrown. That's the third out. Good job. The fourth, nothing has changed. Gulfgate has 8, and Red has 1. Was that? Whoa! There goes Michael. Wow. Rich, good job. Wow, nice hit, Dennis. And everyone's safe. Boom.
Yeah.
Wow, did that ever get through?
Oh, yeah. Come on, we're getting two here. Go on, Dennis. Come on, Dennis. Hold up here, Denny.
Okay, ending with a man on second and third, and a run came in. Hugo! Got through. There goes Dennis. And Rod made it nicely to third. So we got man on first and third. Oh, Joe. Rich.
Are you safe?
Whoa.
He got in there.
Safe. Safe. Run score.
That was safe. Whoa.
That's it.
Stop. And out. Good job.
Go, Mike.
Okay, that's the second out. I came in on this a little late. Whoa, yeah. Oh, nice hit. Making it nicely to first. Got a walk, so there's a man on first and second. That's a stop. There are two outs now. There's three. Okay, that's it. Top of the fifth, the score now 8-3. Yellow still has the lead. Wow, what a hit.
You see, big fella? Not going. Tag.
It's over his head. It's gone. And here go the boys. Ooh, look at the red coats. Da, 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 da. Wow, that's a heroic run. No. Yeah, come on. Oh, really? Okay. You could have maybe not. Probably smart. Stop.
Oh, off the bag. Time.
2 in, no outs.
Run away, Mike.
On the ground. Whoa, Bo. It's on the ground. Okay, and now the bases are loaded.
So we get 5 on.
Woo!
Nice. Is going to drop.
Good hit.
Bringing in one.
Attaboy.
And the bases are still loaded. 3 in, no outs. We are having a walk, so they're walking Mike in, and bases are still loaded. Hugo! That's out there, and guess what? Bo is run number 5. I think we might have a tie game here. Woohoo! Oh wow! Now that's a hit, and look at it! Look how far it went. Went almost to the fence. Come on, Daniel. Daniel. He's gonna hold it second. Okay, good job. Well, that's a hit. Holy cow, that's way out there. Here comes Tim, and he's running for Dan.
No outs.
And nice. There you go. Hal made it to third. Nice triple. Okay, they have found their bats again. Very good. That's a walk. A walk. So there's a man on first and second, and that's a nice hit by Jay. And oh boy, ho! Here comes Casey. Good job. 3 in, 5's on 2. Richie got through. Let's see what happens here. There's run number 4, and Jay's gonna run it in. Go, Jay. Oh, wow, that's 5. Wow. Yeah, they weren't gonna put up with that tie business, were they? Top of the 6th, the score is 13-8. Yellow has the lead. Whoa, yeah. Richie? Great play, good play, well done.
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
What was Richie doing over there? Whoa. Wow. Oh, it went over his head, and the boys are going. The boys are moving. Go! This guy's going to go in. He's going in. And he made it. Good job.
Go! Come on, Ronnie. Come on, Ron. You're gonna go. Here.
Okay, bringing in a run.
Third base.
Casey. Michael.
Watch home. Fair ball!
That's a fair ball. Holy cow. There they go. Oh, yeah. Wow. Whoa, there it goes. The ball is going and the men are moving. There goes Dennis. He surprised them all going that direction.
Safe at home!
Okay. Bottom of the sixth, it's a tie game. Okay, and that's out number one. Full count. Oh, no. Okay, we had a walk, so there's a man on first. It's down. Okay, and now there's a man on first and second.
Third base!
Okay, that got through. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Ira's running it in, and Tim made it to third. We're ending. Holy cow. Okay, there we go. And. Woo, yeah. Oi. Oh, boy, it got through.
High up there. Gonna drop.
Wow, what a catch. Nice job. It is the top of the seventh. The yellow leads by 3. The score is 16-13. Red needs to at least get 3 to keep this going. Okay, we had a walk, so there's a man on first. That's a hit to third. Let's see what happens. And out at second. Good job.
Yes!
And that was a double play. Holy cow. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's the game. Okay. Yep, yellow won game 1. That's it. The end of game 1. The final score 16 for Gulfgate, 13 for, I gotta learn how to say it, but the red team.